people. My headset might be laggy if you see that or not. I'm in a friend's dorm. He's AFK, so I'm recording an intro. Baby. I'm going into rec centers, trolling people as a construction worker and asking like. So yeah. I'm editing on iMovie, so it's cringy. See ya in the rec center. Where's the building site? I got a call to build over here. Excuse me. I got a call to build somewhere in this rec center and to demolish it. So are you like a worker here?
Brad me and party me if you want to see my dorm.
The worker here is this.
It did. Party me if you want to see my dorm.
What's up?
Yo, why you blocking me, bro? Why is
Good to meet you.
Titanic.
What?
Where's the building site? I got a call by somebody anonymous.
Do you work with Bob the Builder?
Yeah, he's my boss. He's really mad. He's actually cranky. Now cause he's so cranky and old, he's like an 80-year-old man that they actually had to do the AI thing where they do the face masking, so he sounds and looks like a 10-year-old.
I'm gonna invite you to my dorm.
JJ, excuse me. I got a call from somebody in this rec center for a building site. Do you know? Do you know what? Where the building site is? My boss is Bob the Builder.
Okay, you can get $100.
No.
Yo, can't you just buy token?
You want the child?
Child. Do you know where my building site is? I got a call from someone in this rec center to build. My boss is Bob the Builder. Just take me somewhere. I'll build wherever.
Okay. Build a water slide over here.
He's my son. He's my son.
Build a water
No, he's mine now.
over here. Build a water slide.
Over here? Well, there's kind of already a water slide, see? Wait, this isn't working properly.
Too bad. Okay. Maybe over here, you can make a water slide right here that goes from here down to here. A water slide. So it goes like wee, and then it's done.
Will you pay me for it? Or will you pay me in high fives?
I'll pay you even 5 high fives.
5 high fives, okay.
Yo, Bubby.
1, 2, 3,
Wait,
4,
no, it's too
5.
hard to do out high fives.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just
2,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5. There you go.